false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. Real, too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel. I'm too good for my own good. I won't leak the album, I let it spill. Number 1, bitch, I bet it will. Do the numbers, I said it will. I played the game and I'm still the same. And I never change just to get a deal, bitch, I'm ballin'. I can't. Everybody like, are you ready to go? Ready to go. Everybody like, are you ready to go? Ready to go. Are you ready to go? Ready to go. Everybody like, are you ready to go? Ready to go. On my Charlie Sheen, homie, yes I am a winner. And when it comes to making music, I am no beginner. Hit the stage and get wild. My brainiac's loud. Call me 007 because I'm born with the crowd. You shine like a star, but I sun it. 50, keep it 100. Homie, you know I'm running. The game needs change and logic can break 100. I had to shorty to run it until she didn't want it. So I focused on the flow and they gon' put me on the map. With a pocket full of change, every day a different dime. Only fuck with golden girls and I ain't talking lifetime. When I rhyme, they up on me cause they see how I'ma shine. Now you may be wondering how my raps rock, cause I'm so fifth key to the right of caps lock. And when my tracks drop, I'ma be sipping some rock with a whole skyline chillin' in the backdrop.
Can't bear more Teddy. I'm Pro Tools bouncing like a 6'4" Chevy. I'm tryna win fast, y'all on that Eddie. Plus Carlin, Harriet. G is how I carry it. Been in it for miles, don't believe as Darius. Running this beach like chariots. If I aspire to be higher than these superficial liars. The attire I acquire comes to grip by your pliers. I'm a ball out in dying Maryland, letting bias. Apply a fire to the name. Yeah, no, I'm oil. I'm oil from slick talk. Yeah, trip off that oil. Toying with girls, feelings low. Forgive me, I need healing. I know you say this wrong, but I love it. Kill it, hit the ball and hit the ceiling, hit the trigger, hit the flow, hit the show. I'm in the building to the product, let me
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.